Mukbang. Don't you guys love it? Okay, so I got something new because I want to try it, but I'm not gonna eat the whole thing on here.
It's a warm sandwich.
It's a warm one. I'll put it on
It's
this
chicken bacon
ranch.
sandwich.
Yeah, I'm not gonna put the whole. I'm not gonna eat the whole thing on here.
Well, you say that, but you probably are.
No, I'm not gonna eat the whole thing on the video. I want to watch my show.
You're going to eat the whole sandwich, but you're not eating it on the whole thing.
No, I'm not. It looks really good, guys. Let's take a little look at it. Look at that bad boy. The OGs knows I talk like this. Look at this bad boy.
Yeah, look. See, there's the markers.
Mmm. Oh.
Markers I have that you can color a page.
Did I bring it?
I think you did. I thought you did.
10 out of 10. Just me biting into it. Literally.
This is me. I'm learning to like myself just the way I am. Oh, I'm learning to love myself.